水曜日の、匠です。本日は、コロナウイルスのね、ワクチン、ブースターショット、近くのね、CBS っていう薬局に受けに行きたいと思います。せっかくなんでね、親父からじゃなくて、もうサンタさんからもらったね、パッタのエアマックスついてるね。新しいスニーカーを下ろして気分フレッシュな感じでいきたいと思います。まだ凍ってる。
J&J, Moderna, or Pfizer, it's still going to be half a dose though.
Okay.
I'm kind of bringing up back up to where you should be, but not have that additional side effects or anything on it. It'll be a small pinch for you, okay?
Yeah.
Be a small pinch, okay? You're not bleeding or anything, but I'll just give you a band-aid just in case. Yeah, it was very
I barely
right?
felt it.
Yeah, it's now the thing. Needles are so much thinner.
Yeah. My first one was the one that I really felt it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not even that, but J&J is known to be a little more rough in general.
Really?
Like even the shot itself, like the side effects. I don't know. It was a little weird. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
How are you hanging out by the farm? Yeah. A little bit, okay?
めっちゃ細いらしい。これで、10分15分ストアに待機してから帰っていいよ。だって夜の10時11時に箱取ったので家帰ったらシャワー浴びて寝たいと思います。
Welcome. Please select your language. If you have your extra care.
よいしょ。本日はアリゾナで乾杯。うんま。ええわ。99セントノンアルコールです。